Have you ever wondered why the foundation of your dairy is choosing the right cow? Well, today we're going to break it down. Choosing the right dairy cow is crucial for a successful dairy operation. A healthy, productive cow is a valuable investment. A poor choice can lead to lower milk production and financial losses. Let's explore the key factors to consider when selecting your ideal cow. Beyond beauty, milk production and udder health are crucial aspects of dairy farming. It's not just about how a cow looks, but how well it can produce milk and maintain udder health. Don't be fooled by a pretty face. While a cow may look appealing, it's the udder health and milk production that truly matter. A cow's appearance alone doesn't guarantee high milk yield. The real indicators of a good dairy cow lie in its udder quality and milk production history. Look beyond aesthetics and focus on udder quality and milk production history. A thorough inspection of the udder can reveal a lot about the cow's health and productivity. An udder should be soft, pliable, and free of lumps. These characteristics indicate a healthy udder capable of producing high-quality milk. Ask for records of the cow's previous milk production. These records provide valuable insights into the cow's consistency and reliability in milk production. High milk production is essential, but udder health is equally important. A cow with a healthy udder will produce better quality milk over a longer period. Mastitis, an inflammation of the udder, can severely impact milk quality and quantity. It's a common issue that needs to be managed effectively to ensure the health of the cow and the quality of the milk. Choose a cow with a history of good udder health and seek veterinary advice on preventative measures. Regular checkups and proper management can help maintain udder health and ensure consistent milk production. A cow's environment has a profound impact on milk production. The conditions in which cows live can make a significant difference. A cow's environment significantly affects her well-being and milk production. Clean, spacious barns and modern milking parlors contribute to higher yields. Cows thrive in clean, comfortable, and stress-free environments. Happy cows are more productive, producing more milk of better quality. Consider the climate and housing conditions when selecting a cow. Proper ventilation and temperature control are crucial for maintaining optimal health and productivity. Some breeds are more adaptable to certain climates than others. It's important to choose a breed that will thrive in your specific environment. Heat stress can drastically reduce milk production. High temperatures can cause cows to become stressed, leading to lower milk yields. Ensure your chosen breed suits your local climate or provide adequate cooling solutions. Shade structures, fans, and sprinklers can help keep cows cool and productive. Caring for your investment, feeding, health, and records. These three pillars are crucial for ensuring the well-being and productivity of your dairy cows. Proper feeding is fundamental for milk production and overall cow health. A balanced diet rich in nutrients not only boosts milk yield, but also enhances the cow's immune system, making her more resilient to diseases. Consult a veterinarian or animal nutritionist to formulate a balanced diet. They can provide tailored advice based on the specific needs of your herd, ensuring each cow receives the right mix of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Provide access to clean water at all times. Hydration is key to maintaining optimal health and milk production. Ensure water troughs are cleaned regularly to prevent contamination. Regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations are essential for disease prevention. Early detection of health issues can save time and money, and vaccinations protect against common diseases that can affect the entire herd. Maintain accurate records of the cow's health history, vaccinations, and milk production. Detailed records help track the progress and identify any patterns or issues that may arise. These records are invaluable for monitoring her health and making informed management decisions. They provide a comprehensive overview of each cow's performance and health status, aiding in better farm management. Remember, investing time in selecting the right dairy cow and providing her with a healthy environment will pay dividends in the long run. A well-cared-for cow is not only more productive, but also contributes to the overall success and sustainability of your dairy farm. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos.